Sometimes it's good to look back, and I guess that's what sketchbooks are for. Maybe there are some ideas that you can emulate, at least in part. And as I look at my earliest cardstock gliders, I am reminded that I used to make a more three-dimensional wing that had a spar and ribs. I did eventually abandon the ribs and just used a spar with the paper skin providing enough rigidity to hold its form. And that was nice because I hesitate to spend more than about 8 hours on any one glider, knowing that they're going to hit rocks and trees and eventually get annihilated. Now that I have this automated cutter and I know how to make vector files, making ribs is not as daunting and time-consuming of a task. So I thought I'd experiment with that a little bit. And this is just a one-off glider. I'm not publishing plans or trying to sell them online, which takes some of the tedium out of the process and makes it a little more fun for me. If you want to support the channel a little bit and buy some plans for gliders that you can make at home, check out the links in the description.